Hi, I'm Bugs. My wife's got a 2012 WK2 Overland Hemi, and I've been trying to do most of the maintenance on it myself, and I was trying to find videos of replacing the upper control arm, and the only ones I've ever seen is the driver's side, and a lot of the comments were the passenger side just kind of sucks, getting at the nuts that are inside the engine compartment. And if I can, I am going to show. There's one nut down there, the rear one, the upper. But the forward one is right up in there, which doesn't really suck as long as you take the inner panel off, out of the whole deal. I pulled the bottom mount out of the strut, took the top 3 bolts loose. I think I left 2 of them on. The one outboard I took completely off because it let it drop down a little bit farther. Took the ball joint off. Worked the bolts out. They came out behind the air strut. No big deal. So I didn't have to take off the drive shaft. I didn't have to take off the hub, the brakes. No, none of that. Took off the link for the sensor for the adjustable air suspension there. It was like no big deal. It was kind of a bitch getting a wrench on the back bolt in the engine compartment because there's not a lot of room. You can't get a socket in there. I couldn't get an extended reach socket. It was too long. The regular socket, standard socket, bottomed out, and I couldn't put the ratchet on it. So I had to monkey fart around with a wrench and a little short piece of pipe and got her off. So, hey, anybody that wants to do that, not a big deal. As it stands right here, I didn't think I was going to make a video. I've never made a video for repairing anything, but anybody that wants to do this, it's not that big a deal. I'm a welder and a fabricator. I'm not a mechanic. I don't like doing this kind of crap, but I do it because my wife needs it, and I don't want to spend the money paying somebody else to do it if I don't have to. So, hey, God bless. Take care. Christ is coming here pretty soon. You take her easy. Bye-bye.